To get started, I've got my dark grey fabric already fixed securely in my embroidery hoop. First, let's mark our guidelines on the fabric. I'm using my heat erasable pen and a ruler to draw two parallel lines of dots. The dots are spaced about half a centimeter apart along each line. Now let's prepare our thread. For the first part, I'll be using 5 strands of the light grey floss. I simply pull one strand away from a 6-strand skein. We are going to start by stitching 2 parallel lines of blanket stitches. Create a blanket stitch, ensuring your thread loops under the needle. Continue making blanket stitches all along this first line. Once that's done, we'll repeat the exact same process on the second parallel line. Take your time to keep the stitches even and consistent, as these form the base of our ladder. Okay, our 2 lines of blanket stitches are done. Thread your tapestry needle with the 4 strands of floss. Weave your needle through the blanket stitches, going over one stitch and under the next. Moving across the gap between the 2 lines, you'll create horizontal rungs of a ladder between your 2 blanket stitch lines. When weaving, don't pull your thread too tightly. You want the ladder rungs to lie smoothly and evenly across the gap without distorting the fabric. Now for the last touch that really makes this border shine. Thread your tapestry needle with the 4 strands of floss. Remember, a tapestry needle has a blunt tip, which is perfect for weaving without piercing the fabric. We're going to stitch the buttonhole bar stitch right on top of those cross points where our ladder weaving goes over the blanket stitches. Now you'll go through 2 of the woven cross lines, just catching those threads with your needle, and then wrap your working thread around your needle before pulling it through to create that buttonhole bar. This adds a lovely raised detail to our ladder. This border would look absolutely stunning on the neckline of a blouse, along the cuffs of a dress, or even as a decorative strip down the side of pants. You can totally combine colors here too. Imagine doing the base blanket stitches in one color and then the ladder weaving and buttonhole bars in a contrasting shade. Or use different shades of the same color for a subtle dimensional effect. The possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed learning this unique border pattern today. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more creative embroidery projects. Happy crafting!